Hi everyone. In today's tutorial, we will show you how to create a horizontal scrolling section in Squarespace. This is a great way to make your website more dynamic and showcase content in a modern, interactive layout. Let's get started. On your website, click Edit. Once you're in, scroll down to your Images or Gallery section. For example, let's find the gallery here. We want this to have a horizontal scrolling layout. All we need to do is click on it, then click Edit section on the right side. From here, click the gallery type and change it to Slideshow. Simple as that. Now scroll down to turn on thumbnails. We can also enable autoplay so the gallery plays on its own. It will switch every 5 seconds, just like that. We can also style the gallery to make it look even better. This is completely up to your preferences. And that's how we create horizontal scrolling sections in Squarespace 7.1. With this simple technique, we can give our site a more engaging and stylish browsing experience.